Hi, today we are going to be looking at creating a lead magnet as quickly as possible, going from the lead magnet creation through to the email sequence, creating a landing page, and then creating promotional social media content that we can use to drive an audience to that landing page. So I'm going to do what I enjoy doing using ChatGPT it's OpenAI's playground to create a master prompt. It turns my simple prompt, which was create a captivating lead magnet that hooks in the reader and offers true value, make it a 15-point listicle about the most important factors to consider when trying to make money online. Also add a powerful introduction that makes the reader really want to read the lead magnet. So now it's come up with its system prompt. So put that into chat. Let's see how it goes here. So we've got, are you ready to turn your dreams of financial freedom into reality? Great opening line. That's a little bit long for a lead magnet, but that will work. Choose a niche, identify your target audience, build a brand, leverage income streams, master SEO, high quality content, sales funnels. So there we have it. That would be great information as it is, but let's see if we can improve it a little bit to add some more value. Ask this lead magnet, take this lead magnet text and improve it to make it more engaging for readers. Focus on simplifying the language and adding value in each section. Might zoom in so you guys can see that a little bit better. Let's just let it do its thing. Can't I just choose you already? So that intro is a little bit long. So what we'll do once it's done that, see if we can cut that intro down to be a little bit shorter. Come on, wakey wakey. What's it up to here? Actually, what I should do, if I change that with Canvas, and boy, well, this has been quite a time killer. Either of those. So revised introduction. That's looking better. So if we can open Canvas, will it do it for us? Yes, okay. So once in Canvas, we can then format. Oh, no, it's doing its thing. We can kind of format this a little bit. So we have definitely added a little bit more information. So that would probably work as a lead magnet as it is. I don't really think we need to edit any further. Sometimes I do have one other prompt I put in. I guess it does depend if you're doing a listicle or like an ebook style or a guide. Being a listicle, you don't need to have a ton of information as long as you are covering each point. Suggest 3 ways I can restructure my lead magnet to better highlight the key benefits. So this could added 3, build a sales funnel. So there, it's going to make an edit. To emphasize the benefit, you could add a one-liner explaining how choosing the right niche can help. That makes sense. Consider adding a short bulleted list rather than the introduction to highlight the key benefits readers will get from the guide. That makes sense. Building a sales funnel. Where was that? Make sure there's money in it. Yep. Okay. So there, we've got our lead magnet. What are we going to go into here? So now for this lead magnet, we'll copy that. Sorry, my record button was right over the new screen button. So now what we want to do is take this content and create some email sequences. So hi chat. Create a 3-part email sequence to nurture leads after they download my lead magnet. Focus on building trust and offering additional tips related to my lead magnet below. And what did I just do there? Okay, that'll do. So inserted the lead magnet, 3-part. So that's going to give us our opening 3 emails. So these emails will just be informational emails that obviously you edit to make sound a little bit more, well, just however you want it to sound really. Make it your language, your tone of voice. So there we've got 3 emails we can put into our autoresponder system or get response. They're great. Hey Weber, I won't show you how to do all that. I'm just showing you the basics. So we've got our lead magnet copied and pasted into Google or wherever you use Microsoft Word. We've got 3 emails. So now what we can do, write a follow-up email for people who downloaded my lead magnet. Give me a subject line and email body for an email that reminds my leads about the free resource they downloaded and introduces a new related offer. So our lead magnet is all about making money online. This is an offer selling my intro course to making money online. It is $39. Did it add one follow-up email? So here's this one. So normally you would send out, I don't know, 5 to 10 informational emails first. That kind of hooks your audience. They don't think you're just out there to take money off them straight away. You're not just one of those people that just sell, sell, sell. So after you've created a sequence of 5 to 10 emails, you might want to send something like this. Put in an affiliate product or whatever you might be selling. For me, it's a course. Obviously, I could add my course link in here and off they go. So that is how we create our emails to provide some value or more value to the reader, and then how we would go about promoting an affiliate product. So now what we want to do is create a landing page. Is this with Canvas? Oh, where did my lead magnet go? Paste the lead magnet in. So let's create a landing page that we can then take to, I guess most people use WordPress. We can create a page called, free guide, make money online guide, something like that. and then you would put this in, insert your lead box. Most block developers, they've got lead boxes you can put in that give you the downloadable information. Oh. So again here, this is one of my lead pages, Smoking Meat for Beginners. So you would create a page like this. I'd actually redo this one now, but this site isn't something I pay too much attention to these days. If I had a bit more information there, it would really help to capture the audience. So you set up something along these lines and start generating leads. So you've now got your email sequence set up. You've got your lead magnet created. You've got a landing page done. So now what you need to do is start driving traffic. So a few prompts for that could be create 3 engaging social media posts for Facebook and Instagram to promote my lead magnet, including a catchy intro and call to action for users to download it. They'll insert the lead magnet again. Post 1, feeling lost on how to start making money online? We've got you covered. Our free guide, 15 key factors to help you make money online, gives you the simple steps to turn your dreams into reality. No fluff, just solid advice. Click the link and download the guide to kickstart your journey today. Fantastic. So you can see there, you've got 3 posts that you can put out onto your social media. Obviously not all at the one time, but over a week. Schedule them out every couple of days, 2 to 3 days, 3 to 4 days, whatever you like. And you can start promoting your lead magnet. So people, if you've got an audience on social media, people click the link. They will go to your landing page, input their information. From there, this information is automatically linked up to your Aweber account, GetResponse account, System account. And that's a whole other series of videos that I won't be making, but it's not hard to figure out how to do that stuff. Once people input their information here, they'll get the free download and they start getting your email sequences. So I think that's pretty much all we need to do. Obviously you can use different types of a Twitter thread that teases the content of my lead magnet, enticing people to download it with practical tips from the guide. So you can just prompt away here and get a few different tweets. One stream of income, risky, explore affiliate marketing, services, digital products, more options, more security. So there you have it. We've got a whole bunch of options. And lastly, another prompt I use, what should my social media caption say to promote this free lead magnet? The caption should focus on solving a problem for my target audience. So this is actually interesting. I don't know if I've mentioned pain points in the past, but a pain point is really something you want to target. Can you list out some pain points for this niche? And so a pain point is a problem that a user's got. Feeling lost, feeling overwhelmed. You are offering something that is going to take away or help with this pain point. So overwhelming amount of information, fear of wasting time on unprofitable ventures. There is a hell of a lot of that out there in the online world at the moment. Choosing the right niche, lack of a clear plan. So yeah, all of these things are pain points that whenever you're doing a post, creating a page, even just general introductions to all your blog posts or your YouTube videos. I am not the best example of it, but I'm just learning YouTube. So as I get a little bit better with my introductions, I will start doing it. But whenever you are engaging with your audience or offering them something, you should try and add a pain point into the introduction so they can relate and they feel like you've going to offer them something that will help with that pain point. So there we have it, guys. We have created our lead. We have created an email sequence for it. We have added a monetizable email. We have then created social media posts. So from there, you've literally taken a lead magnet, you've got it out there, you've created a landing page. You could also then use it as a standalone blog post or link that page to your YouTube description or YouTube comments, make it a pinned comment. But yeah, I hope I've taught you something here and we've got it done fairly quickly, 16 minutes. So I would say from start to finish, you could have all that done within probably 20 minutes, including setting up the autoresponder email sequence. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you in the next video.